Love is the answer. So let's take a deep breath into that. Love is always the answer. Let's breathe into this time of meditation, knowing that this time that we come together, that we quiet our minds, is a time of healing for the self and for the world. This is a time where we step out of the ego, we step out of the mind, we step out of the system, and we step into the heart. So we take that great journey, breath by breath, from the head to the heart, from the outer world to the inner world, from chaos to harmony. Recognizing that love is the answer to everything. Charles Fillmore said that love is the great harmonizing faculty. Harmonizing is the answer. So let us breathe in a moment of power together as we bless our world, holding that the collective intention of the masses, the deepest intention of the masses for harmony in the world, in international affairs, into every family, is our true and deepest intention. So we ask that that intention have its way with us. That this divine faculty, this divine gift of love that is present in every being, be so called forth in this moment that it is irresistible. That it draws us in and it lifts us up. It awakens consciousness to the way and the truth and the light. So we release that prayer as a blessing. And we take a deep community breath, acknowledging that this is a Sunday where we engage in sacred service, where we will get a word or a knowing, a phrase, an image that is ours to explore, to follow, to co-create with this year. And so we just begin to set the stage internally for receptivity. We allow the thinking mind to become still. Breath by breath, as we open up to the wisdom and the wholeness, the healing and the love, the guidance of the silence. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know all life as sacred. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know we are born blessed and we are here to be a blessing. Namaste.